Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites and running the first command. Make sure you know which binary you have, PowerShell, exe on Windows, or PWSH for PowerShell core. Once in an elevated CMD prompt, run where PowerShell or where PWSH. That confirms path. If present, launch with PowerShell no profile to avoid user profile scripts. I show you precise commands now so you get an interactive shell quickly. This avoids delays caused by missing binaries or permission errors. Once the shell launches, you need to run scripts and pass arguments reliably. Use no profile to prevent dot files from altering behavior and execution policy bypass to avoid policy blocks. For example, PowerShell no profile execution policy bypass file script, PS1. For one-liners, command is faster. PowerShell command, get process select object first 5. When you pass arguments to a script, append them after file and read them inside the script with $args or param. That keeps automation predictable. To finish, learn advanced launch patterns and one troubleshooting tip. For elevation from CMD run, PowerShell command start process PowerShell verb run as, that prompts UAC. If you use PowerShell core, substitute PWSH similarly. To run background or as another user, use start process with credential or window style hidden. If scripts fail to start, check execution policy, path entries, antivirus interference, and script encoding, UTF-8 with BOM versus UTF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.